Hey you guys, it's me Rachel, and today I'm back with another video for you guys. And I'm super excited about this one because today I'm going to be installing these tape-ins from Ywigs hair. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and show you guys everything that they give you. And inside the bag are some more glue for your tapes, this tool that helps you bond the tapes together, the bundles. I got 4 bundles, you guys, and this is after I cut them a little bit. I did also bleach them a little, and then I'm not sure what the other tool is, but it's helpful. And then this is what a bundle looks like of their pre-colored hair. So that was a little bit too light for mine, so I went ahead and custom colored my own from black. So like I said, these are the Ywigs tape-ins. This is my very first time installing any tape-ins, and I went with their body wave extension. They sent me 4 really long bundles. It might have been 22, 22, 22, 22. I'll be sure to leave the exact length down below. But if I were to have gotten that, it would have been $428. But you guys, I only ended up using 2 packs of the hair. So 2 packs was enough for this full density. And when I tell you guys it looks really good when it's like all flipped to the back, like that's all that I needed. You can order like singular packs, or they have deals on like 2 packs and 3 packs of different lengths. So you guys just have to head to the website and check it out to see what exactly you would like. So each piece of hair comes as a tape, and you literally just grab a piece of your hair, you put the tape underneath, and then you attach the tape on top. And I won't lie to you guys, this was kind of hard. This is my first time kind of trying it out. It was pretty hard to do, but once you get the hang of it and you get into the swing of things, it's not that bad. And also, I know it is hard to look into the back of your head, but I eventually started figuring it out, and honestly, the parts don't even have to be very straight. Mine turned out well, y'all. But if you do have someone there to help you like part your hair, I definitely think it's kind of foolproof. Like, you can do it. I am going to let you guys know how the removal process goes. I haven't made it that far yet, but I really don't want to take them out, y'all. I'm actually loving them. It's been about 8 days since I've had them in, and I haven't had to wash them or anything. They curl perfectly, and they hold a curl amazing. They're shiny, they're bouncy, like they do everything that I would want them to do. So maybe I can do a more in-depth tutorial because I do have 2 more sets, so I could just go ahead and install those and try to just show you guys exactly, be a little bit more specific on the placement and everything. But overall, y'all, these tape-ins are absolutely bomb. I'll leave a code down below if I have one. I do see they have 15% off of over $300 on their website, so definitely check out their site and their Instagram, ywigs.com, for any deals and codes. And if you guys want to watch me install these tape-ins from them, then just keep watching to see the end result. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? And when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe they can't. You and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah. There were times when we all loved that you and me could never be together. That's why we should have never said never. Said never. About the way me and you get down. What are they jealous or they hate me? I I guess they all have their own PhD. I wish that they would just stop sweating me. Stop trying to get the best of me. No matter what they say, baby, gotta move on 'cause we're gonna be epic. Did the thoughts that we had? Did the words that we said? Keep us from the love we never said. Never say never. Yeah, yeah. Simple, just see you in. Never would be never. Trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? And when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe they can't. You and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah. There were times when we thought that you and me could never be together. That's why we should have never said never. Said never. Whoever thought that's all they hate me. I guess they all have their own PhD. I wish that they would just stop sweating me. Stop trying to get the best of me.